In Lab 2, in Chem Lab 2, there is a combustion reaction shown. Methane plus oxygen yields carbon dioxide and water. So this is natural gas burning. Let's balance this equation. And each one of these individual formulas is already balanced, so we don't have to worry about that. And also the phases are not listed, whether they're gaseous or, yeah, these are gaseous, but they're not listed here. Remember that once individual formulas are balanced, then we don't mess with these subscripts anymore. We only use coefficients, numbers in the front, to make sure that the atoms on the reactant side balance with the atoms and the kinds of atoms on the product side. So let's take a quickie look at this. This is really simple, but that's okay. We need to start simple. One carbon here, one carbon here. There are 4 hydrogens here. I see only 2 here. So we would have to use a coefficient in the front to make 4. 2 times 2 is 4. That balances. Well, that interferes with this oxygen. This also multiplies through and makes 2 oxygens, and we have 2 more here, so that's a total of 4 on the product side. So the way that we can repair that is to put a 2 here. 2 times 2 is 4. That looks pretty good. Let's take a look at it one more time. One carbon, 4 hydrogens. 2 times 2 is 4. That's good. 2 times 2 is 4 oxygens. There are 2 oxygens here, and then there are 2 more over there. So, yay! You have balanced a very simple equation. This is Brother Barnes. We'll do some more difficult ones perhaps later. Remember to be memorizing your elements. I have another video on memorizing elements, and also have one on memorizing polyatomic ions. This is really important as you go through chemistry.